right.
All right.
Hi, my name is Nia Peters. I am representing the Peters Bradley Group. That is a collaborative of investors. It's my mom and dad. It's myself, my husband. We have 2 children, and my brother and his wife, they have 3 children. We are a very educated family. My parents and my brother and I, we all have PhDs, and we truly want to thank Jullien because no amount of education that we have ever had has changed the trajectory of our family in terms of putting our family in the position to generate generational wealth for generations to come. We're so excited to be a part of the multifamily movement. We want to thank Jullien and his wonderful whole team of individuals for just all the love and support and really taking a family that is educated and we had, we were pursuing the American dream, but we really think this opportunity is allowing us to grow and pass on new generational wealth to generations to come. So thank you, Jullien. Thank you, multifamily movement. And so happy to be here.
Love it.